Mm-hmm. Welcome back to my another channel, and I'm watching some Chica Toys videos. In a second, and we had fun playing Who's That Pokemon tonight yesterday, and we had a lot of fun around with some cool stuff that we didn't earn. But anything, but just more than use. I cannot believe, and this is my cool turn. And my brother Wyatt's in my room trying to do some stuff. So we have no Wyatt with me today. I think Wyatt will be not with me again tomorrow, so do you want to survive, and do you want to win a Dominus Cherry in Pet Simulator? I will, can you type in the comments, because you know your username. You know what's your Roblox username, so leave a comment who's your Roblox username. I hope so. You want to win some Dominus Cherry Pet? Well, leave in the comment below that your Roblox username. If I know your Roblox username, I can be proud. Just stay online on Roblox, and we want you to win a Dominus Cherry in Pet Simulator. If you don't, that's okay. Just do anything if you want to. Oh, and by the way, if you want to do anything, there's more with it. I will do anything. So yeah, you can do anything. Leave in the comment below, please. Please, please, please. You can know my videos because I recorded my Roblox videos because I don't have a microphone, but we hope you see. So, yeah, I have to do anything. That's that. My mom's coming. Be right back, guys. Keep an eye on the Alright, I'm back. My mom was here because I was talking about that my friends want to win some downstairs. Anyway, I want you. Sorry, my mommy's staring at me and watching. So I want to say you can win some Founders cherries. Well, leave a comment below because you can do anything with it. But you can blink when you're keeping an eye on it. So yeah, sorry. Alright. So, we hope you can enjoy my video. This one. So that's all of my videos. That's all. We will see you in the next video. Bye 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 fans.